the most popular trap in business. What is this trap? It's called the "ano ba ang okay na business" trap. Yes, I know it's a very long name for a trap, but you cannot deny how popular this question is. You may have heard someone ask this question before, or maybe you've asked it yourself, diba? Why is this a dangerous trap? There are two reasons why. Number one, the "ano ba ang okay na business" trap makes you focus on the business idea alone. And this is not enough when choosing the best business idea for yourself. It makes you focus on the business potential, but it does not make you focus on your potential for this business. By your potential for this business, I mean your skills for this business, your expertise, your experience, your interests, your values. Number two, the "ano ba ang okay na business" trap makes you focus on trends and not what really matters in business. In business, a trend is a sudden and unexpected fascination of a group of people towards a product or a service that is usually short-lived in nature. Yung biglaang sikat pero biglaang ding nawawala. This is why they all say this about trends. Trends come and go. That's just how it is with trends. 1 minute, they're the biggest thing in the world. Next minute, wala na. You remember Zagu? Remember internet shops? Remember milk tea? All of these were major trends at some point. It seemed like there was one Zagu store, internet shop, and milk tea outlet in every corner. But all of them have since died down. Remember this. Trends come and go. And businesses that jump on trends will come and go as well. Gusto mo ba yun for your business? Of course not. We want a business that will last our lifetimes and longer. So what's the lesson at this step? Start a business within your business sweet spot. It should be something you're good at, something you're passionate about, something the world needs, and something the world is willing to pay for. Aspiring entrepreneurs start businesses based on trends. And when they do, they don't know it, but they're actually risking and hoping that this trend will continue in the future. But established entrepreneurs look within themselves. Yes, they look at trends too, but they see first if they have the experience in the industry, if they have an advantage. So they're able to avoid and minimize risks.